All right, so this video here is going to be a hero, Italian style hero. And it's going to be a little similar to one that I did I called it my favorite all-time sandwich, because it is. It's broccoli rabe and Capicola and melted provolone, and I did it, I don't know, a month or two ago. And this is going to be really similar, but just a lot of extra stuff added. And I've never made this particular sandwich, but I know it's going to taste good because of stuff. So let me, I'm going to cut the ends off, which I won't waste because it's my favorite part of the bread. I'll eat those with butter. Otherwise, it won't fit in my toaster oven. So what I'm going to do is make one big hero, and then I'll cut it for 2 people. All right, so here is what's the main body of the sandwich. And that's broccoli rabe, sausage, sweet Italian sausage, garlic, olive oil, jalapeno peppers from the garden. Actually, not my garden, my buddy's garden. And I think that's it that's in here. So let me put that on here. All right, so here is the sandwich before I got the cheese on there. And that's a serious nice sandwich. All right, so now the Capicola, or Gaba-Ghoul. That's the way we always say it, it's Gaba-Ghoul. This is going to be a serious sandwich. This is going to be one of those ones that once you eat it, you don't feel like doing nothing the rest of the day. All right, what I'm doing is I made some homemade dressing. Actually, I'm going to put it up as a separate video. And I forgot to put it on, but I got double layers of Gaba-Ghoul on here. I don't know if that's in the video. So I peeled that back. Let me pour. Get a spoon. All right, fixed. No big deal. Able to move that aside and put the dressing in there. So now let me cut the cheese. This one is Boar's Head Chipotle Gouda. So I'm thinking this is going to be really good. And I got a Asiago. And I think I'm going to put the Asiago on first, under the Gouda, because I think the Gouda will be nice melted like on top. All right, there's the Asiago, now the Gouda. All right, now there's the Gouda, and that's ready to go in the toaster oven. I can't wait. All right, so here is the sandwich melted. I can't touch it because it is wicked hot. Well, and that is, boy, this is going to be a good one. Now I got to get it off here. All right, that worked out good. And now comes the hard part, trying to fold this thing. Oh man, this is going to be a mess. right, here is that. Here is the sandwich. Here we go. I don't even know where to begin with that one. That is outstanding. A lot more complicated than my favorite sandwich. But man, give this one a go. This is good. It has everything. That was worth the effort.